Hmm. Yeah.
See?
Oh, yeah.
North Vancouver.
Right.
See the people fish here. See?
Hmm.
There's the beach. You can go to the beach down that. Watch where you put your feet sometimes.
Hmm?
There's seals. Sometimes there's seals. You see. You know
Hmm.
what a seal is, right? It's like a dog, but it's a fish.
Right.
And lives in the water.
Yeah.
See over there, I think it's a native. And you go up there, you see the trains too going by.
Hmm.
Sometimes different trains. Oh, you want to take that there?
Hmm.
Here?
Yeah. Here. Yeah. Here's the best.
Looks like the science fiction movies.
Berat Agabri konuştuk. Ne konuşacağız? Nerede? Bu ne yapmış olmaz? Bu aşçı filmi.